The Civil Engineer Maintenance Inspection and Repair Team, or CMERT, a division of the Air Force Civil Engineer Center, is the Air Force's premier location for the overhaul and repair of aircraft arresting systems. Often, once these barriers arrive to be rebuilt, CMERT technicians must unwind and remove the approximately 1,100-pound nylon tape from the large reels on the absorber units.
We walked out in the yard one day and we counted how many units were stacked full of tape, and knowing that the way we were currently unwinding all those was by hand, and we had to come up with something different.
Removing the old tape and packaging it for salvage was a labor-intensive process which took 5 to 6 hours per barrier and required stretching the tape and then rolling it on a ramp by hand.
And down here in Florida, when it's 80, 85, sometimes 90 degrees, and rolling up that tape, it gets pretty hot, and it's kind of rough on some of us old guys. So it motivated us to think about a way of rewinding the tape, easily and more efficiently without all the back-breaking work.
It took about 8 months for CMERT's Latham, Surbaugh, and Jared Harvey to perfect their current design.
We were first looking at doing this. We knew we had to find a way that you could lift the tape off the machine and also be able to turn it in for salvage. So we knew we had to find a way that could be easily palletized, easily transported, and turned in.
Now, with this tape rewind machine, the process can be completed in as little as 90 minutes per barrier. And because the machine was built using obsolete parts, the cost to the Air Force was minimal. Mr. Latham says this type of machine could benefit other Air Force locations that perform barrier maintenance. It could also alleviate the need to remove the tape from mobile aircraft arresting systems shipped from deployed locations, thus easing the workload on Air Force CEs in the AOR.
Sometimes we receive units on MAS systems also that come from other bases overseas and stuff, and a lot of times they may not have the time or the facilities to do that kind of thing. So, and we understand that. It's not that much of a problem, especially now that we have an easy way of rolling up the tape.
This CMERT innovation is helping their technicians work faster and safer.